My people, things wey dey happen nowadays trust nobody dey get, trust no yours dey. Even though say na your family member, even though say na your best friend trust nobody in this life. Make una come hear tori wowo, tori just japa, no be small thing wetin dey happen for inside life. And wetin happen to this our sister abroad base wey cry out today, wey cry out to wetin happen to her for im own family again for back home. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How una dey, my amazing people? Please, if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, kindly do me a favor by subscribing. Also hit the like button as well in this video. Like this video, and as you like the video, you are encouraging someone to make more video. Yes, so my people, this our sister e come cry out today say wetin she don pass through for im family hand, and wetin her junior sister and the whole husband do to her. Make we come sit down jeje, make we analyze this story together. Yes, so my people, this abroad based woman come cry out today say she no wan born, she no wan give birth outside wedlock. Like, if man never pay my bride price, I no wan born baby for the man. Hey, you understand? So a lot of our women wey dey do this thing, e dey favour some, e no dey favour some. E no mean say you don give birth to baby, man no go put money for your head again. Yes, if na responsible man, e go still put money for your head. So no dey desperate say you don get pregnancy, oya run go put money for my head. You understand? So there is time for everything. Some people still dey wey be say you don born 3-4 children before the man go still put money for your head. Why a lot of women still dey wey be say I no wan born without say man never put money for my head. Sister, na there you for made the greatest mistake in your life. E don affect a lot of our women as well. I know say e no dey bad if man fit put money for your head though, na still good thing. But some of our women wey be say dem go do big marriage, after the marriage dem go come dey find pikin no gree come again. That is why a lot of women dey even prefer say make dem first give birth to baby before the man go put money for their head, before the man go marry them. But this our sister case no be like that wey cry out. So abroad base, she come narrate her story, my people. Una lis ten o. She say she come get belle. As she get belle, na e come say na me be the first daughter of the family o, and e no get paper. So im husband come get paper. Money wey dem dey use take dey help the lady, e come gather everything together. Both the one wey im don work before, money wey dey account, dem go use am take buy ticket. After dem buy ticket, dem come ready for im husband come go back home o. Una know say marriage wey dem dey do dey wait for person back home. Say you dey abroad, you go come tell your junior sister say abeg, my junior one, my husband don come home now, I wan come pay my bride price o, abeg na you go replace me o. Junior one come say okay. That junior one dem come carry am, count am for the man leg, just according to the tradition. Una know na, to replace her own elder sister wey dey abroad here. So the man come do the needful, my country people. Una know say, I know say a lot of our men dey get deep heart. Na so women still be, dey keep secret o. So this im husband wey go house go marry am, go pay her bride price, my country people, e come fall in love with her junior sister, and her junior sister come also fall in love. That her junior sister wey dey count for im leg. And the worst part of it, this her junior sister with im own husband wey from abroad go back home go marry, they come go another secret place for court. They come go do court marriage. They come marry their self hide. So e say if they dey this side, this im husband, the way he come dey do things, he no come dey understand. So he come born the first baby First one come, second one come still come o. Oh, you know say dem don pay her bride price, my country people. So he say this him husband, he come work gather money, come be like say this my husband na so Nigeria na he come dey go, you understand. So he say this him husband, let me say after 1 year go still go back home. He say he no even like suspect anything like that. Maybe if she wan suspect something, if she suspect say abi this man don get woman. He no even suspect say na her own blood sister, the same papa, the same mama, na make dem go do that marriage hide, make the family no know. As she dey born for this man for abroad, her sister come still dey born for the same man for Nigeria. That is why I talk am just now say this life wey we dey so, no trust nobody, trust no one. And they say blood is thicker than water. No be nowadays at all. Nowadays blood is no more thicker than water because of things wey be say e dey happen. Your own sister go betray you, your own blood brother go betray you. So make we just be careful for this life wey we come dey live. So na the lady come say he come dey look he come dey watch. This woman come finally find out say na your sister. Hey God o, God Jehovah o, may anybody make dem no pass through wetin this woman pass through. She come begin dey cry. He say he just decide to come share her story with us, wetin she pass through. How this woman come take know say na im own sister na this man dey go out with, or im own husband na im own blood sister don born 3 children for as well. He say im own husband o, he come discuss with her say this your sister, make we help her na, make e take come abroad, you understand. He say na true, na my junior one o, e dey good to me, e dey flow with am, just like say sister dey wey go be say you love pass. He say he too love that her sister, na make this thing pain am. He come dey shed tears every day. She come even carry high blood pressure, my people. So they come say no, he come join money together, gather another money wey she take work, the man take work, they come use am take carry im own junior sister come Europe. So my people, sorry for the breakup. As I was talking, he say this her sister, they come carry am come Europe o. My people, more na guess wetin happen. He say he come dey see something say no be how his sister first take dey respect am, no be so he come take dey respect am o. If he your talk one, his sister will talk two. He no know say his sister dey marry his husband. Oturugbeke. Una see wetin sister dey do to sister o. So he say one day na he come take comot for house. As he come dey come, he come make sure say him sofri open door, na he come take carry dem. Since then she no fit get herself again, because him with this him husband sef, dem don even do common marriage for abroad. He say na he come go meet lawyer, he come divorce the man. Na dey hear me so? So he say as we dey talk now, the man he still dey marry her sister o. Him now come dey single. Make una see wetin some men dey do to our women. No be say a lot of men don dey talk say women, muna run for women o, some women wicked o. As e dey for man side, na so e dey for women side. Make we use this story, make we use am take get sense. Sister, you wey dey cry say you dey abroad, you never get paper, God go give you paper. God wey do am for us, he go still do your own. God wey do am for people wey get paper, he go still do your own. Sister, make you get patient. There is nothing wey Jesus no go fit do if you have faith in him. Have faith in God, all things are possible. Have faith in God, get patient. May you go Nigeria, with your man, with your husband, go do marriage oh. I know say this kind marriage e dey favour some people, while e no dey favour some. Wey you say make dem go do marriage, wait for you back home. Una see this sister oh wey come share her story now, e no favour her. Una understand? Now I say make I come still share with una, because this thing e dey happen well well to a lot of us wey dey abroad. Say sister help me build house, dem no go build am, dem go chop the money. Una see how blood sister take hurt im own elder sister now, collect husband from im blood sister, the same papa, the same mama. This is very sad and heartbroken. Now I say I go still share this story with una for this my channel today. Abeg, if you never subscribe, wey you for dey hear tori wey dey happen for inside life, abeg make una help me subscribe to this my channel. Help me to share this video, like the video, and God bless you all as you do. See you guys on my next one. Bye.